Good morning. Today is November 11th, 2023. It is approximately 7:45 and this wonderful, beautiful Friday morning. I came outside just to look around before work, and guess what I found? You guys, I didn't think that this plant produced anything because it kept, this tree, because every time it got flowers, the flowers got blown off. You guys, do you see what I see? You see that? Yeah, I got a limit. And I got a limit. I think that's a limit. Let's see what we got. I don't want to touch it. Where'd it go? Yeah, that's a limit. Yeah, because I only had one. Um, oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, anyway, I got a lemon. Oh my goodness. And you guys know, guess what I've been waiting for also? They're changing. Those oranges are turning orange. Y'all see that orange lemon in there? Orange in there? Now, this orange tree I got after another orange tree. The other orange tree haven't did diddly squat. And this one have 2, 4, 6, 8, almost a dozen oranges on there. The other one is just sitting, look green and pretty with the pomegranate. But anyway, I just wanted to drop by, and say hey, and show you what I found. Thank you for stopping by. So with Carla, continue to have a blessed, wonderful, and marvelous day. Be safe, love, and love hard. God bless you all. Bye.